In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you HyperMate Pro and how this hardware wallet actually looks like in action, how you can connect it to your phone to the application, and how to actually make transfers using HyperMate Pro. Basically, it's to securely hold your crypto assets, just like we've seen with other hardware wallets. It's featuring the world's most secure, easy to use hardware wallet. HyperMate Pro makes the security of your crypto assets with innovative technology. Now it is open source as well. It does have Bluetooth. It's created in Java, as we can see here. And before we begin this, for transparency as always, just so you know, this is a sponsored video. So I'd like to thank the team at HyperMate for sponsoring this channel. And so yeah, once you go to the website here, which by the way can be found in the description of this video, just go to hypermate.com. You'll be able to see this page here. And then what you need to do is you need to download the app, and you can get it on both Google Play or Google App Store. This is of course after you purchase HyperMate Pro. If you are interested, again, the link can be found in the description of this video. If you are interested to know more about them, you can just click on the About section here. You can see HyperPay is the world's first 4-in-1 digital asset wallet, innovatively integrating off-chain wallet, on-chain wallet, shared wallet, and hardware wallet, because within the application that should be downloading here, you do have the options to use both the off-chain wallet, which would be through an exchange, or the hardware wallet, which would be using HyperMate Pro. So that's how it would work there. Again, the price is $229 here. They do have the option of choosing mainland China customers or international customers. And if you go to the international customers, you can see it is $229. Okay, it does have fingerprint recognition as well. You see this little blue circle here, which we'll take a look at when we do that tutorial. And of course the different options and how it actually looks on screen, because of course you need to know, and we'll do a bit of an unboxing. Also, as we know, the hardware wallet is an important part of blockchain security, and HyperMate is the first hardware wallet that they've created. Okay, there are two other types on sale on the official website and also the app. It's HyperMate G and HyperMate Pro. So we've got HyperMate G here, as we can see. Okay, also the International Organization for Standardization divides the CC assessment level into EAL 1 to 7 from low to high. Generally speaking, the safety requirements of commercial products are within CCEAL 5, and the bank chip debit cards require CCEAL 5. Higher levels such as CCEAL 6 and CCEAL 7 are for military use. HyperMate G and HyperMate Pro all reach CCEAL 6, but Pro has been detailed, optimized, and improved. Now, HyperMate Pro inherits all the functionalities of HyperMate G. Okay, but it also combines traditional mature security technologies to achieve a secondary security upgrade at the physical level to prevent illegal hijacking of user accounts by external factors in extreme cases, thus ensuring that every transaction is correct and safe. Also, fingerprints functionality. Okay, so users need to verify their fingerprints on HyperMate Pro to confirm that the transaction is initiated by themselves, which double guarantees the security of the transactions. Of course, you can also create the mnemonic phrase, as we'll be taking a look at. There's also the Bluetooth 5.0 functionality, also optimizing user experience, like Chinese and English is available. Again, we will take a look at that when we look at the wallet, when we do the unboxing. And HyperMate Pro has also made a lot of optimizations in detail to try to provide a better experience for the users. Also, HyperMate Pro has a larger monitor and physical keys, which are more intuitive and easier to operate. Also, the vertical structure, the appropriately increased volume and weight are the perfectly arranged keys, make it more suitable for one-handed operations. So that's it. Now let's take a look at the unboxing video. We've actually got the box here, so we're actually going to do the unboxing in this video. You could see this is the box that we've got here. Okay, pretty straightforward. You get the hardware wallet here. As you can see, it does have a sticker here, so you need to remove this sticker. And again, you do actually, I've started this up already, so that's why you're seeing create a new wallet here. But basically, when you start it up, you can choose between the languages, right? English or Chinese. I'm assuming most of you are going to use English, so you choose English, and once you do that, you're going to see these two options here: create a new wallet or restore a wallet. Inside the box, if we open up the box, we also have a pen to be able to write our passphrase, and we also have the USB cable, which we can use to connect to the hardware wallet if we wish to connect it to the laptop or to the PC. But again, it's more for charging because you also have the Bluetooth connection. So we can use that Bluetooth connection in order to connect later on to the application, which we'll take a look at. Inside the box, there's also a wallet case, which is pretty cool because you can just put your hardware wallet to store it in it so that it doesn't catch dust. There's the mnemonic handbook, which basically shows you all the different words. As you can see, you can actually choose from these words if you want to when you create your wallet, which we'll take a look at in a moment. And then there's the kind of like a board. As you can see, here is a metal board where you can store the mnemonic passphrase, 12 words or 24 if you choose to do 24. So that's pretty cool. Next, let's look at how you can actually create the wallet and also set up the pin from the beginning. Okay, so the first thing you do is you choose the language, English or Chinese. I chose English, and then you see create new wallet or restore a wallet. So we're gonna press create a new wallet. Let's press the OK button. We set up a pin. I'm just gonna go with 555 for the purpose of this tutorial. And now we can choose the number of recovery passphrases between 12 or 24. So I'm just gonna go with 12, press OK, press next, okay, the down arrow. It does tell you need to write down these recovery phrases. Okay, let's start. And now we just go next, next, next. So these are the 12 words. Okay, these are the ones that you have to write down. Because next up, when you click OK, or when you press OK, sorry, you need to choose the words in the order that they ask you for. So you can see they're asking me for word number 7 here. So you need to choose it from that list. Okay, now I didn't write these down. So as you can see, it even tells you checking failed. So they actually know, like the device knows which should have been the correct words. Okay, just to test if you've actually written them down. So it's just another security measure. It's pretty cool here that they've got this. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Once you do that, then you're done. Then we need to move on to the next step, which is to connect the wallet through Bluetooth over to the HyperPay app. So as you can see here, after you create the wallet and you connect the USB cable over to your laptop or to your desktop, you can see it's charging here. It also shows you that USB is connected. So we need to wait a little bit, and then when we unplug it, then this little symbol here for the USB connection should change to Bluetooth, and then we'll need to be able to synchronize it with the application that you download from the App Store or from the Play Store. So now when you unplug the hardware wallet from the USB port, it automatically switches to the Bluetooth mode, as you see there, right? The little B sign next to the battery. As you can see, it's also fully charged, by the way. You can charge it by plugging in the cable into the USB port on one of your, either your laptop or your desktop. So now that we've got the Bluetooth up, I'm going to show you how it looks on the phone, okay? Because you do need to download the app HyperPay, okay? The link can be found in the description of this video, okay? So when you have HyperPay on your phone and you install it, then you need to go to the following options, which I'll show you in a moment. The next thing we do now that we've got HyperPay downloaded, we need to go to choose your wallet. Once you install it, of course, you need to install it. You've got off-chain here, as you can see, through the application, or choose wallet. So we go to choose wallet, and down at the bottom you see we've got HyperMate, the Bluetooth hardware wallet, and now we can pair it with the hardware wallet. So let's click on that, and now it's searching for it. Okay, you need to make sure you have Bluetooth on your phone. Okay, it needs to be enabled, and also the location, because it does search for the location. You need to say select yes, I have read and agreed. Of course, if you read the HyperPay terms of service, let's click next. Now it's trying to connect. Okay, so I have to enter the pin that I see on my screen on the hardware wallet. 17 pair. Okay, so now we can set the fingerprint if we want to. I'm going to skip it for now. Okay, I can do it later if I want to. Next, I knew. Okay, so these are my different wallets here, as you can see. We've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, HC token, and also USDT here. But of course, we can add more as well if we want to. We can just go to add assets. And here we've got a whole range of cryptocurrencies here that are supported. Okay, a lot of them that are supported here, all the different popular ones. So you could simply just select one that I want to add. Like let's say I want to add Uniswap, for example. I can do that. And if I go back, I can see my Uniswap is here as well. Then if I want to send some cryptocurrencies to this address, I simply click on it here. As you can see, USDT. and I can choose receive, or I can transfer between them down at the bottom here of this page. As you can see, I can also transfer between the wallets. So that's simply how it is here. Now if I click receive, I'll actually see the both the public address and also the QR code. Okay, so that's how you do it here. Let's go back. And if you want to send some uni, again the same, receive. This is my public address, okay, and the QR code. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.